Hey guys, this is Xavier from DMC. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to create or generate your Google Meet link directly from Google Calendar. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing. Now, if you are thinking to launch a Google Meets, meetings via the calendar, the steps is basically very easy. Okay, so currently I'm using my Google Chrome browser to do the demonstration. Okay, so if you can see from here on the top right corner, I have already logged into my Gmail. Yep, so you can see my profile is right there. And on the left hand side, you'll be able to see there's this Google app icon right there. Okay, so if I click into this app icon, yeah, I'll be able to see all these apps available for me. Okay, and definitely you will be able to locate Google Meet as well. Yep, what I'm going to show you, there will be two ways for you to generate the Google Meet link from the calendar. Okay, first method is directly from the Google Meet app, and second method is my way. Okay, I will go directly to the calendar. Basically, these two is the same. Yep. If you go under Google Meet, it will give you one extra step, which is, for me, I feel a little bit redundant. Okay, so let me show you the first one first. Yep. So you can just click into the Google Meet. Okay, and over right here, you can just come here and straight away click under the create a new meeting. And yep, it gives you three different ways to launch your meeting. Yep, the first one, if you are not doing the meeting right now, maybe perhaps like 10 minutes later, 15 minutes later, you can do this. Create a meeting for later. Yep. So if you're starting a meeting right now, then you can just go with the second one. But the one that we are going to focus is the third one. Yep. Going to launch the meeting using Google Calendar. Yep. So this is the one that we are going to do, right? So what you can do is that click into schedule in Google Calendar. After we click, it will actually redirect us to the Google Calendar. And you can just create your events directly and setting the dates of your events, the times of your events, putting in your titles, and that's it. You can also at the same time invite your guests, your participants, or perhaps your colleagues via the email. Okay, so you can put in some email address over right here to invite them. They will receive the notification directly. Okay, so this is how it goes. But the one that I mentioned, so if you can see from here, right, pretty much is about the same thing. It will just go to Google Meet and redirect you to Google Calendar. As compared to, why not you just go into Google Calendars, right? So this is what I will do. Okay, usually I will just go in directly to Google Calendar. So meaning to say, when I'm at my Google browser, right, my Google, I will click under this and I will go straight into calendar instead. Okay, so right after I click in, did I click the wrong button? I want the calendar. Okay, I want the Google Calendar. Alright, so it will just launch my calendar, right? And you can set an event directly over here. Okay, so let's say I want to set my events on the 1st of December. I can just come here, click under the first, yep, and I can just put my title. Let's say it's a Google Meet demo. Okay, and I can put my time right here. It's 1st December, but maybe I want to do it at 5 p.m. okay, to 6 p.m. So I can set this. And over right here, if you can see, there's two things right here. Okay, you can also put your email that you're going to invite the participants to join into the same meeting. Okay, you can put in the Gmails, their emails, as long as it's linked to Google Calendar. Yeah. So over right here, down here you can see add a Google Meet video conferencing. So then it will generate this, and this will be the link that you can straightaway just copy. Okay, this will be the link that you straightaway can just copy. And what you can do is that you can just save this. And that's it. Okay, the link that's just now when we are trying to we set just now is everything is in here already. So let's say you forget. Okay, say, hey Zevin, where can I get back the link again? So this is where you go. You come back to your calendar, you click under that events. Okay, then you can see this. Okay, you can see this link right here directly. You can just click copy and send it to your colleagues, your friends, your clients, whoever that you want them to join your meeting. Okay, so what will happen during the 1st of December when you want to start the events, you want to start the meeting, and you want to join into the Google Meet, right? So this is what you do. You come all the way to your calendar, you click into this event, and you can just straight away click join with Google Meet. And that's it. It will allows you to prompt up the Google Meet, test your mic, for you to test your camera before you really launch the meeting. Okay, so this is the part that what I will do is that I will just double check if my audio is okay, the camera is okay, is actually starting. So just let it load for a while over right here. Okay, so you can see that it's already loading for my cameras right here, and I'm having a background at the back as well. So if you want to change the background, it's over here. Yep, it's over here, and you can just change it to any designs or any backgrounds that you want. You can put flowers, this is the default backgrounds that Google provided to you. Yeah, if you don't like all this background design, you can actually just come here and click upload. You can upload your own image. Yeah, so if you like this, I can just really click join now. And basically, that's it. You'll be able to join in directly to your Google Meets meeting. Okay, so that's where in this video, what I would like to share with you. Okay, so how you can actually create the Google Meet link directly from your Google Calendar. So it's very, very easy. You just need to go all the way to your Google Calendar, set an event, and that's it. You'll be able to get your Google Meet link. So if you have successfully created your Google Meet link from your calendar, you can leave a comment below and let me know that if this video helps you. Okay, if you're yet to subscribe to our video, remember to subscribe and help us to like and share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.